Listen, it's been a while since I've done one of these in-depth price prediction videos, and today I wanted to give all of you beautiful people a deep dive analysis on where I think XRP is going to be headed in 2025, now that we've seen how the markets have pretty much performed up until almost the end of this year. Listen, I put a number of price predictions out earlier on in the year, and they were pretty accurate. Now, obviously, I wasn't dead on for everything. XRP actually blew past my expectations for what I thought would happen before the end of this year. So now that we have more updated information on what XRP has done today, well, I have a pretty good idea of what we can expect coming into the new year, which is going to be quite amazing for a lot of you guys watching this. So you're going to want to stay tuned until the very end of today's video because listen, there's a lot of really cool stuff happening. Now, I know a question a lot of you guys are probably wondering, why am I using 1000 XRP as a figure in today's video? And that's a good question. Number one, it makes my life a lot easier from a math perspective, and I know a lot of you guys will have 1000 XRP or more. Now, my personal goal that I've set for a lot of my audience is to try and accumulate at least 10,000 XRP, because once you get above this level right here, this is when there's a really big fall off in the number of holders, as you can see on screen right here. But you can also see that the vast majority of XRP holders are actually below 1,000 coins. 2.4 million right here, 2.1 million right here, and then you can see a massive colossal 10x fall off once you get right here to XRP at the 1000 range. So yeah, having 1000 XRP is great. I think everyone should be able to do that very reasonably. Now, if you have more capital, I think you should aim for the $10,000 to $25,000 mark, because what I'm going to show you in today's video will secure you a lot of money in this event and make you guys pretty wealthy. Now, if you're a large whale, by all means, you can go well above this level. I'm not going to stop you from buying more XRP. God knows that I have a lot of XRP, but with that being said, I want you guys to be able to get to where I am. So we're going to talk about what is likely to happen in 2025 so you guys can get a really good idea of what to expect. Now, the very first thing I want to show you guys and talk about is market dominance charts. Now, what you're seeing right here is XRP's market dominance over the entirety of its history, or recorded history, that is, which was starting in about 2014 here in February. Now, with that being said, you can see that XRP has gone through some massive ebbs and flows. For those of you who do not know what market dominance is, it essentially just means XRP's market capitalization relative to the rest of the crypto market. So when XRP's market dominance is around 18.10%, that means that it's compromising and making up about 18.10% of the entire crypto market, because that is the sheer size of it. And there have been a couple of times that XRP has gotten a tremendous amount of market dominance. First, in November of 2014, it almost made up 17% of the global crypto market, as we can see here. And then over here in April of 2017, it made up about 18.10% of the market here as well. And I know a lot of people got into XRP at both of these two times here. And of course, many other people got in during 2020, 2021, somewhere around here. And you can see today, XRP's market dominance is actually sizably lower than it was previously. But there's something happening here which is extremely crucial and very important that we all need to make note of. Over the course of the 30th of September to where we are now, just around December, XRP has more than doubled in market capitalization. It went from 1.25% here on the 30th of September all the way up to 3.91% here on the 30th of November. Now, our market dominance is actually a little bit higher today. If we do look, you can see it's a little bit earlier, it was pretty close to actually 4% or so. But with that being said, you can see that XRP has hit some absolutely phenomenal numbers previously. This is what I want to talk about, because this is essentially what XRP is capable of doing. There is a world where XRP can hit a roughly 20% market dominance in this crypto market again. And of course, in that event, XRP is going to be going up roughly 6x from today's price. And of course, 6x of the current price today is going to be pretty sizable, because you can see XRP right now trading at 2.31. So you times that by 6, I mean, you're going to be going up a sizable amount. And I want to be clear, I do think it's actually very possible that we see more price action than that in a very bullish case scenario. And so that's why I'm personally setting my price target somewhere around $20 per coin. But we're going to be getting into that very shortly. I also want to talk about some other factors here too. The total crypto market cap chart is also going to be something that is really important too, because we've seen how the total crypto market cap has changed phenomenally over the years. I mean, we can compare the last bull run right here where the total crypto market cap was at a roughly 3 trillion compared to today where it's now hitting a peak right here of nearly 4 trillion. And I also want to point you guys out in today's cycle right now, we're essentially where we were right here, in 2021. Ish. We're still early on into the cycle, somewhere around here, like December 2020, November 2020, when the market cap of crypto last time around was more close to like $500 billion as opposed to the trillions where we are today. And so if we do see similar growth this cycle, the total crypto market cap will probably be able to hit around 6x of where it is today, which would put the total crypto market cap somewhere around 18 to maybe even 22-24 trillion dollars in an extremely bullish case scenario. And yeah, I'm all for that, because that means the crypto market cap is going to surpass gold and XRP if it's eating up more market dominance and the total market capitalization of the entire crypto market is going up substantially. Well, it's going to be pretty crazy. I want to show you guys some figures, right? Let's say hypothetically, our market capitalization goes to, let's just say, $20 trillion. And during this time, XRP is making up 20% of the global crypto market share, which is an extremely bullish case scenario. That would put XRP's market capitalization somewhere around $4 trillion. Okay, that's pretty sizable, because if we look at XRP's market cap today, we can see that XRP is trading much lower than $4 trillion. You can see right here, XRP right now is at about $132 billion in market cap. So in order for us to go to 4 trillion, we're going to divide that by 132 billion. Let's just do that real quick. You can see XRP would be doing a 30x from today's price. And I think that's like the most bullish cap scenario for XRP. The global market cap of the crypto industry goes up by more than 5x. XRP's market dominance goes up to about 20%. I think that's our like absolute top of the top, right? If we look at that, we multiply that by the current price of XRP, you can see that'll bring us somewhere around pretty much on the dot a $70 XRP during the peak of this cycle. I think like that's pretty much the ceiling of what we're looking at here. I do think in the future, obviously, it's possible for XRP to go a lot further. Now, earlier, I did say that I'm putting my price target somewhere around $20, which I think is actually, frankly, pretty conservative. And this is in the event, of course, that XRP is going to be not getting quite 20% market dominance. Instead, it's going to be a little bit more conservative. And if we look at the chart here, my assumption is that we're going to see XRP maybe somewhere around 12 to at the tip maybe 15%, because we've been able to do this in many times before, and so even in back of 2020 we can see we got to 5.2%, and so it's a very likely possibility, my point, we get somewhere around there. So let's just say, for like ease of math sake, let's say that the crypto industry 3x's, right, a lot more conservative than the 5 to 6x we were talking about before. So instead of going to the 20, we're going to be going to somewhere around like 12-ish trillion dollars across the entire crypto industry, and XRP has a 10% market dominance in that case scenario. That would put XRP's market capitalization at $1.2 trillion, which is pretty close to a 10x of today's price, right? And so that would actually put us at about a $23 XRP, which I think is very reasonable considering what I showed you guys before with how much the market capitalization has grown in the past during bull markets, both in back in 2017 and 2021, and now what's soon to be 2025. And I think it's conservative and very attainable considering how much market dominance XRP has recently gone up. It's following a similar trajectory to what we saw back in 2014 here, right? When XRP was first getting market share. You can see right here, XRP's market dominance was 0.56, very quickly more than doubled over here on the 31st of July. And then it kept trending upwards until it was at roughly 3%. And then, whoa, out of nowhere, goes to almost 17% right here. And so, yeah, I do think that we're going to see something similar to this. It's going to be explosive growth. You can see the chart today on market dominance actually looks very similar. We were at like 1.25%, and then all of a sudden out of nowhere, 3.34, 3.91. We're eating up a lot of market dominance today. I think that's going to continue, and I'm really excited for that. So, yeah. My personal price target for XRP, I'm putting it somewhere around $20 to $23 per coin during this cycle. Like I was saying, in the most bullish case scenario, I can see XRP going upwards of $70 per coin, which would be phenomenal. And if you have 1,000 XRP and they're $70 per coin, I mean, you've made a lot of money with very little investment at today's prices. So that's why I think buying XRP today is a phenomenal idea. That being said, though, you guys need to get into my Discord so you don't miss any of my calls on XRP, HBAR, XLM, all my futures trading, and a lot of my altcoin opportunities that I do cover often on the channel. A lot of great opportunities in there, and I'm going to be posting some more XRP, XLM, and HBAR trades very soon. And if you guys sign up to BTCC using the link down below, you'll get access to all of my VIP channels. And there's also 2 other exchange options in my Discord if you guys already have an account on BTCC or you just want to use a different exchange. So I'll see you guys inside of my Discord. Thank you for watching today's video. Peace out.